How to replace ear pads on select Kingston HyperX gaming headsets. Our CentralSound Premium XL memory foam ear pads are compatible with these HyperX gaming headset models. Here we have a Kingston HyperX Cloud Revolver headset. And these ear pads are the OEM original ear pads that come with the headset. They're very easy to remove and replace. First, you would pinch this area and pull up. They unsnap right out of there. As you can see, there's clips in here that hold the ear pads in place. Here we have our CentralSound Premium Extra Large Memory Foam ear pads, which are an excellent upgrade to a gaming headset. They're very soft and super comfortable. You can pick up a pair at CentralSound.co. They have a large flap in the back which covers over the edge. They are installed differently than the original OEM ear pads. As you can see, the thickness is different. Our ear pads are thicker. They're memory foam. Pull the flap around the edges. You will have to stretch it out a little bit to make it fit, but that's okay. And that's how you install our Premium XL memory foam ear pads. As you can see, the difference between the original ones and ours, it's actually a significant difference. There's a good form, a good fit and seal with our ear pads, and they are extra comfortable. So an excellent upgrade if you'd like to upgrade, or if your ear pads are falling apart and need a replacement, these would be great for you. So you can visit us at centralsound.co to get yourself a set. Thanks for watching.